Lieutenant General Malual Majok Ciengkuac, the former Assistant Commander of Defence Force (ACDF) for Administration, Personnel and Finance. Courtesy photo. June 24, 2025, Juba City. Lieutenant General Malual Majok Ciengkuac, the former Assistant Commander of Defence Force (ACDF) for Administration, Personnel and Finance, has expressed acceptance and satisfaction with President Salva Kiir's decision to retire him, alongside 7 other senior officers from the South Sudan People's Defence Forces (SSPDF). President Kiir, acting in his constitutional capacity as Commander-in-Chief of the SSPDF, issued a retirement directive on the 4th of June, invoking Section 13(1)(b) of the Sudan People's Liberation Army Act 2009 Amendment Act 2022. The decision transferred 8 high-ranking officers from the active to the non-active list, including notable figures such as Lieutenant General Marshal Stephen Babanen, Lieutenant General Thiik Achiek Hol, and Lieutenant General Majok, a veteran of the liberation struggle since 1983, reflected on his 4 decades of service with pride. I welcome the decision of the Commander-in-Chief. I have served enough in the military, and I may as well continue to serve the people of South Sudan in a different capacity, he told Radio Tamazuj. Describing the rare honor of reaching the rank of Lieutenant General, Majok said he attained the 2nd highest rank in the Army. Lieutenant General is the 2nd to last rank in the military. The last rank is General, which is reserved for the Chief of Defence Forces and the Commander-in-Chief. He said, for someone to reach the rank of General is always a 1% probability, because it is at the will of the Commander-in-Chief to select the person of his choice. When asked if he had political ambitions, the retired general stated that he has no current interest in entering politics but hinted at future possibilities. If compelled by public demand, I may consider it. Over his 42-year military tenure, Lieutenant General Malual Majok Ciengkuac served in key roles across military intelligence, training, command, moral orientation, and eventually rose to oversee administration and finance. His retirement marks the conclusion of an influential era within the SSPDF leadership. Concerns over SSPDF's lack of a pension fund and a clear retirement policy. The CPA urges the government to prioritize the establishment of a comprehensive and transparent retirement system for the SSPDF. Many emphasize that such a system must encompass adequate financial support, counseling, and reintegration programs for retired soldiers to ensure their well-being and promote long-term peace and stability in South Sudan. The CPA remains committed to advocating for policies that uphold justice, transparency, and the dignity of all citizens, especially those who have served our nation, he added. Efforts to reach Major General Lol Ruai Cohen, the official SSPDF spokesperson, for comment on the recent retirements were unsuccessful at the time of reporting.